Hello, gaming enthusiasts! Today we're delving into the hot topic of the PlayStation 5 Pro. The gaming community has been buzzing with leaks, speculations on technical specifications, graphics quality, potential pricing, and, most importantly, the release date. Amidst all this excitement, there's a growing sentiment that the PS5 Pro might face failure, and I'm intrigued by the arguments surrounding this perspective. But before we dive in, if you're enjoying the content, do give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. Also, yes, you probably noticed my accidental beard shaving incident. Don't worry, it'll grow back. Now, let's get into the thick of it. Much of the recent PS5 Pro discussion stems from leaks, especially those from Tom Henderson, a prominent PlayStation leaker known for accurate predictions in the past. The speculation is fueled by Sony's upcoming showcase at CES, raising questions about an imminent PS5 Pro reveal. Henderson, however, suggests a release date around October or November, making an immediate announcement at CES seem unlikely. Now, let's shift our focus to the leaked specifications. The PS5 Pro promises to be a powerhouse, with potential features like DLSS for cleaner visuals, AI upscaling, neural processing units, and more. While it may not be double or triple the power of the current PS5, the enhancements could result in significantly improved graphics, especially for high-end games like GTA 6, known for its CPU-intensive requirements. It's crucial to note that the current PS5 is no slouch. I play mine daily, and games like Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown run at a smooth 120 FPS. The PS5 Pro aims to cater to gamers seeking even better performance, especially for demanding titles, making it an optional upgrade. Now, onto an interesting perspective from Paul Tassi. He outlines key points questioning the necessity of a PS5 Pro at this juncture. Firstly, the PS5 is already a massive success, outselling the Xbox at a ratio of 3:1. Tassi raises a valid concern about potential supply issues, as many consumers waited years to secure a PS5 due to initial shortages. Tassi further suggests that being 4 years into the console generation might deter early adopters from upgrading to a PS5 Pro, potentially leading them to wait for the hypothetical PlayStation 6. However, this argument assumes that upgrades are not game-changing enough, which is subjective. Some users, like myself, are eager for incremental improvements even mid-generation. The article also touches on potential pricing issues. With inflation in play, a PS5 Pro could be priced higher than its predecessor, potentially reaching $600 or more. This, Tassi argues, might discourage casual consumers from making the upgrade, especially when considering trade-in costs. Lastly, Tassi notes the unusual exclusivity landscape of the current PS5 generation, where major titles like Horizon Forbidden West and God of War Ragnarok are also available on the PS4. With a relatively light 2024 lineup for the PS5, exclusive titles could be a key factor in driving sales for the PS5 Pro, especially if it significantly enhances the gaming experience for upcoming titles like GTA 6. In my view, the PS5 Pro might not be an instant blockbuster like the PS5. It could be a slow burn, appealing to gamers who crave that extra performance boost. It's not about replacing the standard PS5 but complementing it, offering a niche upgrade for enthusiasts. Now, here's a question for you in the comments: would you consider buying a PS5 Pro if it were priced at $600? Why or why not? Let's continue the discussion. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep dreaming.